Hello, Freewater School community. My name is Jay Rodighiero and I'm the principal at Freewater. Some information on some things that have been happening and some updates on things that are coming up. So recently we had a parent resource fair and parents were able to visit with several agencies like DHS and Gobi and the YMCA, and we also did preschool registration that night, and that was well attended, and we fed everyone who wanted food. And then we had a Cinco de Mayo celebration and potluck, and we had about 100 people come in and eat and visit with each other, and also had some folkloric dancers come in, and that was really exciting to see and have them. Upcoming, we have a walking field trip on May 23rd. We're going to go to some downtown businesses here with our preschool, and then we're going to visit Gib on the 24th of May with our students who will be moving on to kindergarten next year. So they'll have an opportunity to see the playground, eat a meal, and visit a classroom or two. And then the last few days of school in June, we'll have a field day, a splash pad day, and then our promotion is June 7th at 5:30 in the evening. So our 3-year-olds will promote to the 4-year-old class, and then our 5-year-olds will move on and be promoted to kindergarten. Just a reminder, there is no school on May 29th, that's Memorial Day. And then for our Virtual Learning Academy students, those students finish the semester on June 1st. So for you seniors, you want to make sure that you've got all of your classes done by June 1st so you can walk at the MacHi graduation. And finally, since this is my last video for the school year, I just want to wish everyone a great summer. And I so appreciate parents who have entrusted your children to us here at Freewater School. It has been a wonderful year and looking forward to a new year next year. Have a great summer.